Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've always wanted to learn programming but didn't know where to start, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Python, open it in Spyder, and write your very first program step by step. And don't worry, you don't need any prior experience. By the end of this video, you will have written your first lines of code in Python. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to install Python itself. Now, the easiest way for beginners to do that is to download something called Anaconda. Anaconda is like a big toolbox that gives you Python plus a bunch of other useful tools for coding all in one package. And one of those tools is Spyder. It's like an IDE, integrated development environment. Is where you write your code, you see everything is all in one place, which we'll be using today. So now let's go ahead and install Anaconda. So here we are in the browser. We go ahead in the search bar and type in our website. But I already have it on my clipboard, so I'll do Control V and enter. And it will take us to the download side of the website. Here it is, anaconda.com/download. We are going to skip registration and go ahead to the download now. Now, download the installer for your system. If you're on Windows, you click the Windows. I you click the Windows. This is the Windows. If you're on Mac, you click the Mac. If you're on Linux, you go for the Linux. Then you go ahead and download. You click on it. Okay, because I'm on Windows, I clicked on Windows and here you just save it. I'm going to save it to the desktop and save. So it's downloading now. It's already downloaded. You can see it's completed. 914 MB. So we go ahead to the desktop where we saved it. Here it is, and we go ahead and double click to install. It will verify the installer, then it will open up the installer dialog box. All you need to do here is to be clicking next, next, next until it's finished. Nothing fancy needed. I've already installed it on my system, so I'm not going to do it again. But there's nothing difficult, just next until the end. You don't need to adjust any settings, just use the default settings, and at the end you will have it properly installed. Now that you are done installing, you can go to your apps and then you see all you installed in P. You see Python, you see the file here, everything you need to run it. You can also see the manuals. You can click here and it will take you to the browser where you can read up the manuals. But now we are going to the Spyder. We'll click on it and it opens up. This is how it is when it's opening up. Now, Spyder is an IDE integrated work environment. It's where you can do your coding and everything. This is the last one I did, so I'll be opening a new one where we can start afresh. So now let me quickly explain what you're looking at inside Spyder because it can feel a little overwhelming the first time. On the right side is the editor. It's like your notebook where you write your code. So this is called the editor. On the right bottom, you see the console. Think of it as Python's voice. This is where you see the result of every code you write. They will show up here when you run it. Okay, it's saying an update is available. I will do that later. So let's go ahead with our explanation. So the console is by your right. You will see your code. Once you hit run, you will see everything at your bottom right. And at the top, you'll see the run button, which is like the play button. Once you write the code and click on the run button, you will see all your code here. That's how it works. Now, write your code on the left, hit run, and then you see the output on the right. It's quite easy, right? Good. Now we are done with all that. You now know the editor and the console and the run button. Let's go ahead and write our first program. In the editor, let's go ahead and type something here. Print, you open your parentheses and you add your quotes. Let's say hello world. And this is, we just wrote our first code and we are going to hit press enter. And here we have it on the console. It printed hello world for us. So congratulations, you just wrote your first Python program. So this is what actually happened. The word print is a function in Python. Okay, I'm going to do another video about functions in Python so that you know what to do with each one. Okay, so um, whatever you put inside the parentheses and quotes will show up on the screen. Okay, whatever you put inside the parentheses on the editor and you run the print function, it will show on the console. Now, in this case, we told Python to print the words hello world, and that was exactly what it did. Now, let's see some other examples. Let's say print our parentheses and our quotes. We say hello, hello, comma, Python, Python, Python beginner. Okay, when we run it, we can see it said hello world, Python beginner on the console. It gave us our output. And we can also do math when it comes there. We say print, the print function. We put our parentheses, we put the quotes. Then inside the quotes, we are going to write 2 plus 7 and then our equal sign. Then outside the quotes, we'll put a comma. Then we'll write 2 plus 3, 2, 2 plus 3. Then when we run this, we'll go ahead and run. It will give us hello world, hello Python, 2 plus 7 equals 5. Okay, I made a mistake here. Instead of writing 2 plus 7 behind the quotes, I wrote 2 plus 3, and it gave me 2 plus 7 equals 5 in the console, and that is not right. So I want to change it here. So I'll come back here, and then I will change this 3 to 7. And then when I hit run now, it will give me the correct output, which is 2 plus 7, 9. So this is the whatever you give it is the output you are going to get. Print function is super flexible. You can use it to display text, do math, or just make your program look fun. So we'll be learning all about those functions and every other thing you need to know about it in the upcoming videos. Now is your turn. I want you to open the Spyder and try these 3 little challenges. Print your full name, print your favorite vacation place, then print your favorite number multiplied by 10. When you are done, share what you written in the comments below. I'd love to see your creativity. Congratulations! Great work today. You installed Python, opened Spyder, and wrote your very first code. That's a big step. In the next video, we'll take things even further by learning about variables, which are like little containers where you can store information in Python. If this video helped you, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss part 2. And hey, if you have a friend who's curious about programming, share this video with them too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember to upskill with confidence, one tool at a time. Have a pleasant day.